I'm pretty sure it's my lift pump. I pulled off my return from the lift and put it over here, and it is barely trickling out. It should be flowing quite a bit. There's really nothing holding it up pressure-wise, so it should be flying out. So I took the return, or this is the lift, so it's like a 044 style, and that's what feeds the surge tank. This goes high pressure to the engine, low pressure return, and then this is this is the return to here. This is a vent. Anywho, listen, this fuel pump sounds terrible, but check out the flow. So either the pump is bad or the pre-filter before the pump is completely clogged. Either way, I ordered a fuel pump today. It should be here tomorrow because I didn't want to take it apart and drain everything and find out it was just the filter. Might as well change it anyway. Here, check this out. Yeah, that is nothing for a unrestricted pump. No pressure, it should be flying. On a fuel pump, I figured I would pull everything apart so I don't have to do it quickly. I took so many baths in gasoline, holy cow. It makes me want to put a drain valve on this thing. Anyway, I am pretty sure I found my issue. Take a look at, we're gonna pull this filter out then. Whoa. So I don't know if my tank's coming apart or what that stuff is, but we'll yank it out. So, gentlemen, what causes this jelly? Is this what ethanol does when it sits too long? This is a stainless element, but yeah, it is just gelatinous. There's pump gas in there now. I mean, 15% alcohol is straight pump gas, but obviously this happened. Yeah, this happened. So the car did sit at Tom's for maybe 5 months with straight ethanol in it. Could this be a product of that? This is my pre-filter, pre-pump filter, so obviously that's why this pump sounded like trash.